Back to my vlog. I hope you are all good and staying safe today. So, wala nang paligoy-ligoy, punta tayo sa Facebook. Kasi ang lesson natin today, or ang pag-uusapan natin today is all about how to create Facebook group for your online class. Or, how will you use Facebook for your online class? It's the same. Whatever. Okay, so just click this kapag nasa Facebook account na ninyo kayo, then create, then name ng group na gusto nyo, for example, why is it like that? Okay, grade 2 Nara. Halimbawa lang. And then add cover photo. Ayan, then just click done. Then, choose privacy. It should be private para yung members lang ng group na ito ang makakakita. Pag public kasi, of course, anyone can see it and it will appear sa iba't ibang news feed. And it will be suggested sa iba't ibang tao. Kaya, private tayo, guys. Then, done. Then, create group. Then, just wait. And, ililid ka niya dito sa pag-invite ng friends, the second step. Okay, then invite. Kailangan, bago mo ma-invite yung isang tao, wait lang, patayin ko muna ito. Bago mo ma-invite yung isang tao, kailangan friend mo siya. So, kung may bala kayong i-invite pero hindi nyo friend, kailangan i-add friend nyo muna para ma-invite nyo siya dito sa FB group na ginagawa ninyo. Okay? I hope I'm clear with that. Then, next. Then, describe your group. This is our official FB group for this academic year. Ayan. Tapos, next. Then, write a welcome post. Welcome. Bahala na kayo kung ano yung sa inyo. Basta sa akin, welcome lang. Okay, then, post. Hindi ako gumamit ng mga stickers para formal lang. And then, done. Then, ayan na. Meron na kayong Facebook group. So, tapos na. Joke lang. Okay, so next is, click this star. Then, you have to create rules. You can use the rules of Facebook. But for me, you should modify it. Ayan, write the rule. Number 1. Para sa akin, kailangan may rule para may mababasa yung mga bata. Diba? Once na in-invite nyo sila, may mababasa na sila. Be on time. Ayan. Be on time. Sa mga online classes nila. Okay? Then, you can create another rule. Pero sa akin, isa lang muna. Kayo na yung mag-add. Okay? And then, you can review and then publish. Ayan. So, ayan na yung mga nagawa natin. After nun, balik kayo ulit dito. After ng rules. Okay, wag na kayong mag-membership questions. Okay? Kasi, ito yung mga FB group na hindi pang online class. So, do not use this on your online class. Okay, balik kayo dito. Ang next is group settings. Okay, pag gusto nyong palitan yung cover photo that you uploaded kanina, you can replace it, just click this one. Okay, then color, if you want to change the color, then choose the color that you want, then click apply. Then, this one is very important, the group type. In each group type kasi, iba-iba yung tab na lalabas sa Facebook group. So, dahil online class ito, let's choose social learning kasi may unit tab to and file tab, which is very effective na gamitin para sa online class. This is the most advisable general group type, the social learning type. Then location, para sa akin wag yun nang i-add kasi wag yun nang i-add yung school ninyo, but it's your choice if you want. Then privacy, ayan, private na siya. Hide group, we should hide kasi kahit naka-private siya, kung hindi siya naka-hide, searchable pa rin siya. So, for example, may kapangalan yung name group ninyo, name group, may kapangalan yung group name na create ninyo na FB group. So, pwedeng makapag-join yung iba, di ba? So, kailangan hidden siya. Okay, para sa akin, hidden siya para hindi siya nasa-search ng kung sino-sino, and then private pa siya, hindi siya lumalabas sa newsfeed ng iba, para mas private talaga siya. Then, pending member questions, no questions, we don't need to ask them, why do you want to join this group? Okay, what is your school? Type your school ID. We don't need to do that. Okay, next, who can approve member request? Of course, for me, it's only you as an admin. Okay, who is pre-approved? Nobody. Then, badges, do not use that. Who can join the group? This one should be only people. Look at the choices. People in pages, then only people. For me, it's only people. Do not allow other groups to join your group or pages to to join your group. Ayan. And then, I think we're all done. Member request, it should be on para kung may mag-attempt man na makalusot at marunong na kahit naka-private is na-search niya, kung may marunong lang naman na magganon na parent, okay, at least ma-notify pa din kayo. And then, I think we're all done. Okay na. Okay, so tignan natin, refresh natin, then let's go here. Ayan na siya. So, pag naayos nyo na itong group setting at kontento na kayo, ayan, dito nyo lang pupuntahan kapag may gusto kayong baguhin sa mga ginawa ninyo. Okay? Ayan, so start na tayo. If you will notice, meron dito live photo recommend lang. Wala pa yung create a room, which is the newest, I think, feature ni Facebook at ni Messenger. Kasi, kagagawa pa lang natin ng group. So, kailangan natin siyang i-update kay Google Play Store para lumabas dito yung create group. Ayan. So, i-update nyo guys para updated yung buttons na makikita nyo. Yung option na makikita nyo dito. Ayan. So, we have watch party, but for me, it's not advisable to use. Ang pinaka-advisable lang dito para sa akin is photos. Diyan mapupunta yung mga ina-upload yung photos like this one that I uploaded as a cover photo. Diyan siya napunta. And then, events. For me, do not use this kasi meron ditong option na maybe going or not going. So, don't use that. Don't allow the students to have a choice na not going, maybe, ganon. So, hindi natin yan ginagamit. Wag natin gagamitin sa online class. Pero kung gusto nyo, it's okay. Para lang sa akin, hindi siya appropriate. And ito yung pinaka magagamit natin, file. So, bakit maganda na rin gamitin yung Facebook group for online class? Kasi organized na din siya. Meron siyang files na pwedeng mag-upload si teacher. For example, this one. And then you want to upload this. Yung in-upload mo is worksheet. You can upload worksheet. You can upload, ano ba bang ina-upload sa online class? Mga test, mga soft copy ng test. Ayan. And then, additional informations. Yan, mga additional informations you can upload here. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang i-upload dito. You can upload as many as you want. Ayan. Tapos, maganda sa files is mababalik-balikan nila. Okay, so other parents are not familiar sa Facebook group features na mga ito. Ang alam lang nila magpo-post, magbabasa, so ganun lang. That's why we need to introduce to them na kapag may kailangan sila na files, may hinahanap sila, andito lang yon. Pag kailangan nilang mag-review, okay, we need to announce to them na lahat ng kailangan nilang files is nandito. Naka-organize na. Kahit anong mangyari guys, kahit anong araw, hindi yan mawawala dyan. Yun yung isa sa pinakagusto kong feature ni Facebook group. Next is, itong albums, I think this is not applicable. Maybe you can upload here or you can create album of their photos while attending online class. I don't think so, pero kayo bahala. Or project, 'di ba? Mga collage project, pwede nila dito i-album nila yung mga project nila. Okay, that's okay. Educational purposes pa din naman 'yon. Then, ito yung next na pinakagusto ko dito, yung units. That's why, it's very important na social learning, yung group type na pinili ninyo sa settings. Kasi, kapag jobs or works yung pinili nyo or general, wala siyang units. Okay, ano ba si units? This one is my favorite here. Then, just click create unit. For example, lesson 1, week 1. Okay, so unit description, these are the files of our first lessons. Ayan, first lessons. Okay, then first lesson lang pala kasi lesson 1 lang. Then create. Ayan, so once you've created, ayan, pindutin nyo si photo. Pwede kayong mag-upload ng mga pictures or ng video na galing sa YouTube. Ayan, do not upload a link kasi mas gagamit yun ng data ng mga bata. Yun yung unang-unang rason. And pangalawa, kapag link yung pinost mo dito, syempre, pag na-access nila yung link, yun, libre nilang makita yung mga nandun sa Facebook. Unlike pag na-upload na yung video from the YouTube, yun lang yung makikita nila. Ayan, for example, this one galing sa YouTube. For example lang ha, but this is not really from YouTube. And then, pause. And then, let's wait. Okay. Ayan, so, nag-upload pa siya, I think. Ayan. So, may new post ka na video. So, kung gusto mo ulit, mag-upload, photo ulit. Ayan. And then, kunwari, ito yung mga tungkol, ito yung mga pictures na ito is additional information tungkol sa lesson 1. You can upload them all here. Okay. So, let's wait. Ayan. Tapos, i-refresh nyo lang siya para makita na ninyo kung talagang na-upload na siya. Balik tayo kay units. Andito na siya sa unahan. Dahil, kung ano yung recent na ginamit mo, yun yung napupunta sa unahan. Okay. So, ayan na siya. Unit 1, Lesson 1, Week 1. Eto, mas pag-clinic nila yan, andyan lahat ng information. Ito yung video na sinend mo. Tapos, ito yung mga pictures tungkol sa lesson 1. Then, you can write something about this. Halimbawa, please study and answer this. Answer these worksheets. Or, please watch the video and answer. Bahala na gawa ng instructions nyo. Do not use abbreviation pala. Ayan. Please study and answer these materials. Ayan. Or these worksheets. Okay, and then pause. So, ayan. So, meron silang mababasa. Ayan. Kasi pag nandyan lang yan, wala kang instructions, baka hindi rin nila pansinin. Ayan. And then, para sa lesson 2, ayan, lesson 2 naman. So, wag mo na ilagay na unit 1 kasi lesson 2 pa rin naman. And then, create. Then, you can post again. Ayan. Kunwari yan yung mga tungkol naman sa lesson 2. Ayan. And then, okay. Refresh natin para makita natin. Yan. So, you have your, sorry, napindot ko pala yung unit 2, lesson 2. Ayan. Pag magdadagdag ka, ayan, click mo to. Pag clinic nila yan, makikita nila yung mga videos and photos tungkol sa Unit 1, Lesson 1. Pag ito naman, yun na yung Lesson 2. So, hindi sila maguguluhan. 'Di ba? Ito yung maganda sa Facebook group type na social learning kasi may units siya. You can organize your lesson by week or by unit. Then, you can just add. Ayan, edit mo. As dito ka pala mag-a-add. Okay? Huwag mo nang pindutin tong make this unit optional. Siyempre, kailangan makikita ng lahat. Ayan. So, pag na-edit mo na, save mo lang. Di ko na in-edit, kayo na lang mag-edit, guys. Okay? So, yan yung gamit at kagandahan ng unit. Makakagawa ka and then mababalikan nila anytime yung Unit 1, Lesson 1, tapos Unit 2, Lesson 2. Then you can just create again, all over again. You will just repeat the process. Ayan, yung maganda sa units. Bale, ito lang yung mas magagamit mo dito, yung units at saka itong files. Ayan. Okay? Para sa akin, mas maganda yung units para mas organized siya. And then, if you want to write, ayan, parang sa Facebook lang, magpo-post ka, just click that and then we will have our first meeting tomorrow. Ayan, tomorrow, agad-agad. Ayan, then, post. Now, para hindi ito matambunan, kasi di ba ikaw yung magpo-post lang dito, kasi yung sa settings mo kanina, ikaw lang na admin yung magpo-post. Taga-comment lang sila. That's very important, guys. Dapat kayo lang. Okay? Don't let them post on your Facebook group para sa akin, para hindi magulo. Okay? Para organize siya. Then, you have to mark this as announcement. Why? Kasi para, ibig sabihin, when you mark it as announcement, ito yung pinaka-importante sa post mo na gusto mong malaman agad-agad nila. Kasi whatever happens, ayan, pag inopen nila yung group, ayan, halimbawa, inopen nila itong grade 2 Nara, kahit na anong mangyari, ito pa rin yung lalabas kasi announcement siya. Let's try to post another one. Kunwari, hello! Ayan. So, si hello, hindi siya mapupunta dito sa unahan. Hindi si hello yung una nilang mababasa. We will have our first meeting tomorrow pa din because you marked it as announcement. Okay? Yun yung pagkakaiba ng simpleng post lang na hindi na mark as announcement, si hello. Ito, you mark it as announcement. Kaya ito yung mas makikita nilang una, na hindi yan mawawala dyan. Kahit 10 pa yung pinost mo sa isang araw, we will have our first meeting tomorrow, will always be the first to be seen by your members. Okay? So, don't forget to mark it as announcement if it is very important and kailangan agad-agad malaman ng members mo. Okay? So, yun lang yung mga special features na kailangan yung malaman sa Facebook group para organize. Okay, it's up to you kung gusto nyong baguhin sa settings na anyone can post. Pero para sa akin kasi, ako lang yung nagpo-post. Ayan. Admins only. Hindi ko pala nabago. Para sa akin. Tapos taga-comment lang sila. But it's up to you. Okay, so that's all. And thank you. I hope naliwanagan. I hope you've learned something new in this vlog. The importance of files and units. But for me, I prefer units. Okay? Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.